Why is professional coaching and counseling necessary for you? Even after finishing their 12th grade education and graduating, a lot of students and graduates are unsure about their next step in education or job. Consequently, you require advice from a career coach and counselor if you are among the many perplexed graduates and students who are unsure of what to do with their lives and which profession to pursue. Hi everyone, I am Sandeepan De, career coach and author of career management books. How to get job after college and mastering the art of the interview. The following 5 indicators indicate that you require career coaching and counseling services. 1. When you have no idea what your goal is. All graduates and students must establish their life goals at a young age. Many graduates and students end up following the career path of others because they lack self-confidence and have too many possibilities for a career. Therefore, you should consult a career coach and counselor right away if you are unsure of your goals and are having trouble deciding a profession to enroll in. Using a personality test, a career coach will assist you in identifying your area of interest in the workplace and guide you in achieving your professional objectives. 2. Despite your skill, you struggle to concentrate. Some are talented yet find it difficult to focus on a single task for an extended period. This is a prevalent issue that can stifle an individual's originality and render them average. All people possess skills, but they don't always know how to use them for the betterment of society. Even those who recognize their talent occasionally believe that it's not the proper thing to do now or in the future. The years between class 12 and graduation are highly important because to have a successful profession, you must believe in your value and talent. You can create a successful career path by matching your personality, interests, and talents with the assistance of a career coach. Teen after graduating, when you are searching for a job. Young people who have graduated may also be unsure of their future steps or potential careers. Because you will have to choose between entering the workforce straight away or preparing for further education after graduation, it is advised that you get career counsel at the appropriate moment. If you are uncertain about your job aim, selecting any of these options could be detrimental. You can choose a successful job by seeking appropriate career guidance. 4. When you believe that the choice you made was incorrect. Your selected career path or stream may be the reason you are performing below par in your exam or employment, even though you've been trying your hardest. Everyone has to have faith in their abilities and interests because if you have a strong passion for something, you have to pursue that career path. One might obtain a comprehensive understanding of their professional potential by consulting with a career counselor. They will also assist you in reaching your job goals and design your career path. 5. You are aware of your goals but are unsure of where to begin. Some young people are aware of their interests, but they are unsure of how to develop those passions into lucrative careers. A successful career requires making well-informed decisions and having a thorough knowledge of the field. Graduates and students are unable to make the best decisions because they lack information about the courses and other career options available in the business. A career coach and counselor can assist you in defining your goals and assessing how your career path has developed. To become the person you have always wanted to be, career coach and counseling can help you maintain your enthusiasm. Every graduate and student may find it difficult to choose a career, but with the right career assistance, anyone may advance in their career. Consider enrolling in Success Unacademy if you have no idea how to organize your career. Numerous students have successfully developed successful careers with the assistance of Success Unacademy's top-notch career coaches and counselors. I am hoping for the best for you while you search for your ideal employment. We appreciate your time, thanks you for viewing, and never forget to take action if you want to change your future. If you enjoyed this video and feel it was valuable in teaching you about your career, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to click the like button. Thanks again for watching.